back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new, then welcome back. Okay, so for today's video, we will be trying out a makeup look. So we don't have any professional makeup artists here, and by that I mean I'm not a professional makeup artist. So this is just me trying my things out with just random makeup and then seeing how it pans out. So if you're interested in seeing how that turns out, then stay tuned. And if you're interested in a very easy makeup routine that will still make you insta cute, then stay tuned because this is the video for you. Oh, and FYI, I will not be talking throughout this video, so
you got that good pussy, throw your hands up. If you getting your nigga to act right,
active by night, keep going crazy. 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 active by night. Keep going crazy.
Okay, so I got the look that I was looking for. I was aiming for this e-girl look. I honestly love this look and how this hair looks now. This is what I've been going for, and it definitely worked out in my favor. So thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate your support. Let me know in the comments down below if you like this look and whether or not you would try this look. Now, if I had time to do makeup in the morning, I'd definitely do this as an everyday look because it's cute. I love it. But let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Give it a thumbs up and send it to your friend who's probably trying to see a soft glam look on darker skin. I always see it on lighter and slightly pale skin, and that's beautiful, but I wanted to also like put one out there. So let me know what you think in the comments down below, and don't forget to like my video.
Throw your hands up. You got that good pussy, throw your hands up. If you getting your nigga to act right.